Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Microbit Wonder Rugged Car from Elecfreaks. So first thing you notice, it comes in a nice box here. The Microbit is not included. As you can see, you get 4 very rugged wheels. You get 4 servo motors to drive the wheels. Get this handy motor controller in which the Microbit itself goes. And as you can see, it has some Lego style connectors there to connect it to the robot. And then you get all these Lego style bits that you use to put the robot together, as well as all these little connectors and accessories.